Hello, this is Alex Workey, and this is a public service announcement about cyberbullying. First, I think that it is important to know exactly what cyberbullying is. According to lexico.com, the definition of cyberbullying is the use of electronic communication to bully a person, typically by sending messages of an intimidating or threatening nature. It is common for a person to cyberbully when they feel that they are anonymous. This makes many people say things that they wouldn't normally say in person. But because they are hiding behind a screen and they feel like they have more power, they do this. A person needs to know what to do if they are being cyberbullied. You don't want to answer texts, emails, or any other way of communication through the internet if you are being cyberbullied. If this does happen to you, print off, write down, or take a picture of what the other person has sent to you. If it's through Facebook, then you need to report it through Facebook. If it's through text, report it to the phone company, and you can always take it to the police if needed.